Welcome to Off the Beat Travels. Are you gearing up for your first family vacation with the kids? Congrats! You're about to embark on a wild ride of endless entertainment, meltdowns, and memories that will last a lifetime. It's a time for bonding and having endless fun. But let's be real, traveling with kids can be a bit of a challenge. Don't worry, we've got you covered with the ultimate guide to surviving your first family vacation. First things first, choosing the right destination is key. You want to pick a place that's family-friendly, with plenty of activities and amenities to keep everyone entertained. Look for resorts that offer kids clubs or babysitting services, so you can get some much-needed adult time. When it comes to packing, you're going to want to bring everything but the kitchen sink. Snacks, drinks, toys, clothes, sunscreen, hats, and more. If you're flying, make sure you pack a carry-on with all the essentials, in case your luggage gets lost. And don't forget to bring a few surprises for the kids, like a new toy or book, to keep them entertained during the journey. Now, let's talk about food. Eating out with kids can be a bit of a challenge, but it's also a chance to try new foods and cuisines. Look for family-friendly restaurants with a kids menu and plenty of distractions. And don't forget to pack some snacks for when hunger strikes between meals. One of the biggest challenges of traveling with kids is keeping to their routine. Try to stick to their regular sleep schedule as much as possible, so they don't get overtired or cranky. And if you need to adjust their schedule, do it gradually, so they have time to adapt. Of course, no family vacation is complete without plenty of fun activities. Look for things to do that will appeal to both kids and adults, like a day at the beach, a visit to a theme park, or a family-friendly hike. And don't be afraid to get a little silly. Playing games, telling jokes, and laughing together is what family vacations are all about. By following these tips, you can survive and thrive on your first family vacation. So don't be afraid to take the plunge and book that family vacation. With a little preparation and a lot of humor, you can create lasting memories with your loved ones. Thanks for watching.